How to loop video on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of Instagram application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So let's tap on open and then it will land us to the Instagram application. So make sure you have logged into your account. Now as you have logged into your account, tap on add or your story option at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, simply make there are different options over here at the left side of the screen, like create, boomerang, layout, and so on. So what you simply need to do is tap on the boomerang option and then click a video over here. As you do that, it will start to process the story, and here you'll be able to loop your video on Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.